guys, it's the GMR channel. Today I'm back with some more videos. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing thing. You can see this box beside me that I'm going to be unboxing. So let's unbox this. Okay, so this box is basically, it's a monthly box. This is not a sponsorship or anything. My mom just bought it. It's called the Tinker Crate for ages 9 to 16. So this month's box is called the Arcade Catapult. It sounds super cool, so let's open this. Now that I have everything out the box, I'm gonna look at these directions and put everything together. Let's do this. These directions are easy for kids to follow, so most of the time I don't need any of my parents to help me, which is great. I finished it and this is awesome. So first it's the catapult. First it's the catapult, and it has a hole right here, this launcher, and if you look at this will tell you where to aim. This is where you shoot, all right here, this green one, orange, blue, and red. So this is how it works. Guys, that's not all. You can also build a basketball goal, which is right here. And you can also build a bowling thing, but you do have to print these out. You can build this bowling thing, and it's right here. This was great, and I'll see you guys in our next video. See ya.